Want to bring your AR creations to life with even richer animations? Frame Animation makes AR more dynamic. It unlocks endless creative possibilities for both 2D and 3D assets. Add frame animation to an asset, and a beaver model can make a squishy, bouncy entrance with custom deformations. You can also make route movements on an AR map, or bring static illustrations to life with smooth, fluid morphing effects. And when you layer frame animations with your scene's built-in animations, your AR projects get that super smooth, polished feel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use frame animation to make your AR creations truly pop. Let's dive in. First, let's look at how frame animation works. Select your asset, then click the plus icon next to animation to open the panel. On the right side of the panel, you'll see the frame animation timeline, and on the left, you get a real-time preview of your animation. Frame animation works by setting a keyframe for the start and another for the end to build your animation structure. Just click the plus sign to add a frame, or hit the delete icon in the top right of a frame to remove it. For every single frame, you can adjust the asset's position, rotation, scale, and opacity. You can type in precise numbers right inside the panel, or adjust the asset directly in the left preview using the quick tools. You can also tweak the duration and motion curves for each section here to make the movement look much more natural and expressive. Down below, under Play Settings, you can choose whether the animation loops or freezes on the final frame. And finally, under Trigger, you can set exactly when you want the animation to start playing. Now, let's jump in and create some fun AR animations together so you can see how frame animation works in practice. Making a character jump right off a piece of paper is super simple. To give the movement a natural, lively feel, I'm using a video of a running penguin. Click right here to add a frame animation to your asset. Select frame 2, make the penguin stand up in the scene, and adjust its position. Hit preview, and just like that, the penguin stands right up from the page. Next, I want the penguin to move around after standing up. Click the plus sign to add another frame. Move the penguin. Add a few more position frames. And now the penguin is walking around the map. You can also tweak the timing of each frame section right here to make the whole movement look super smooth. Finally, turn on autoplay for the video and boom! You've got a penguin jumping out of the page and running around. Besides basic movement, frame animation is also great for morphing effects, like a growing plant. Select the stem and add a frame animation. Choose frame 1 and unlock the proportional scale option right here. Click scale on the left. Pull the stem down short and move it to the base. And look at that, now you have a growing stem effect. Just don't forget to set the animation to freeze on the last frame when it finishes. We can use the exact same technique for the flower blooming effect. Select a petal and add a frame animation. On frame 1, unlock proportional scale and squash the petal down like this. Then, add a frame in the middle and stretch it out slightly. And just like that, your flower gets this nice, bouncy animation. To make it feel even punchier, shorten the animation timing a bit and change the motion curve to ease in, ease out. This gives the movement a much better rhythm. Again, make sure it's set to stay on the final frame. And for the trigger, set it to start right when the stem finishes growing. Once you hit save, you'll see your custom frame animation listed under Animation. Click Copy on that animation and paste it onto the other petals. Now, all you have to do is slightly adjust the frame positions for each petal, and you've got a whole flower blooming with that snappy, elastic feel in no time. If you want even richer, more dynamic animations, you can layer frame animations right on top of built-in preset animations. Take this flying butterfly, for example. It's built by combining both. First, I split the butterfly into 2 separate wings. Click the plus icon under Animation and set the type to Emphasize. Choose Swing Left-Right. Set the rotation axis to Y and adjust the center point to X equals 1. Z equals 0.5. Set the swing angle to around 30 degrees and set it to loop continuously. Once that's set, Click Preview to check the motion. If it doesn't look quite right, just tweak the parameters until you love it. After adding the swing animation to both wings, select all the butterfly assets and click Group at the top to merge them together. Now, let's add a frame animation to the whole butterfly group. Add several frames to guide the butterfly moving up from the bottom and coming to rest on the flower. And look at that now! The butterfly flaps its wings while traveling along the path. When you're happy with all your animations, hit Save and Share in the top right corner. Scan the QR code with your phone, and you can see your creation come to life, like this puppy vase packed with animated details. Of course, this is just scratching the surface. There's so much more you can do with frame animation to create next-level AR experiences. We can't wait to see what you build. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!